Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Looking at XLK, Apple, and Facebook on the daily and the weekly time frame, XLK continues to be a shining star in the market. It is leading the way to the upside. Bull flag confirmed, seeing follow through. So our new support is 54.56. Resistance is 55.24, 55.30, 55.50. Psychological resistance levels as we are at all-time highs, and this is extremely strong. We have so many individual names. If you were watching Apple today, it was just jaw-dropping the amount of strength that we see in this short term in this tech sector since the election really has just been mind-boggling. So the weekly time frame, I mean, this move since November, the lows 45.42, and we're seeing over a 20% move to the upside in the entire tech sector in just about 6 months. So no slowdown in sight here. Let's see our gaps. We've got gap up opens here multiple times in a row. So we do need to be cautious of that. 3 gap up opens is a bearish reversal signal. It indicates that the bulls are exhausting themselves to the upside, and this pattern doesn't get confirmed unless we see a bearish reversal candlestick either this week or next week. So have to be keeping an eye on that overall, but even if we do see that, it will just be anticipated to be short-term consolidation until we get indication on the daily time frame, breaking higher lows, seeing increasing bear volume, and giving us other reasons to be looking at any other direction besides bullish, which right now we don't have any other reason to be looking to the downside. Anybody that's gone bearish against this tech sector in the past 3 weeks is pretty much guaranteed to be losing money unless you're just doing day trade scalps. So Apple, there's that move. Look at the volume. That is just mind-boggling volume. We thought Friday was a strong day with that green Marubozu and close at the high, and we just blew it out of the water today. New all-time highs, 154 psychological resistance, 155 after that, and we've seen huge moves in a complete turnaround recovery from the initial bearish reaction to earnings. So the weekly chart looks a lot like XLK, the sector, extremely strong, little bull flag, continuation, and nothing bearish you could possibly say about the sector nor Apple. It's a lead bull in a lead bull sector in a blue sky market, and it's a great time to be alive, to be a bull. Facebook on the daily time frame, let's see, we had our low of 149.74, 149.79. So there's a bit of a base being built there. We did close up near the high of the day. Facebook's a little bit of a laggard. Looking for it to follow along with Apple. Apple saw the bearish reaction to earnings, little inside bar of consolidation, and then the bulls broke out. So bearish reaction to earnings, sideways trading. Let's see if the bulls can follow through to the upside now, similar to Apple. 151.63 resistance, all-time high is 153.60. Bulls have momentum heading into tomorrow, and if we were to see a break of 149.79 without hitting a new all-time high, then we would be a bit more cautious. So tomorrow's a pretty important day for those bulls to see some follow-through. Weekly time frame, bearish reversal spinning top candlestick last week due to the reaction of earnings, but we could see the bulls negate that. Wouldn't be surprised as well to see a potential inside candlestick on the weekly time frame after such a wide range last week. Could potentially see that the range of this week fit completely within that range, and we'll be looking for a break next week if that were to happen. But tomorrow's an important day for the bulls to show up, see a nice green follow-through candlestick, and be looking back at that all-time high. So I appreciate you watching. We'll continue to check back in, and we'll see you soon.